is Penny. A customer emailed me asking about the cause of wire surface oxidation and how to fix it. Okay, let's work together to research and solve this customer's problem. What causes the problem? 1. Cooling water in the sealed chamber exceeds 40 degrees Celsius, failing to cool the wire and causing oxidation. 2. Low saponification in the coolant increases friction, raising wire temperature and oxidation. 3. Insufficient water pressure flow prevents effective cooling, leading to oxidation. Solutions. 1. Check cooling systems regularly, keeping water below 40 degrees Celsius. 2. Add saponification to the coolant to reduce friction. 3. Monitor and adjust water pressure flow for adequate cooling.